Hello there, and welcome back to data analysis with Power BI. Today we'll be moving into a new Power BI service, which is a Power BI mobile, and we'll be seeing how we can convert the report we have on our screen into a mobile usable report. Now, before we move there, in the last class or previous class, we added a back button into our report. Now, for you to use a back button, all you have to do is to press on your keyboard the shift and the control and click on it. Now, what this does is that it takes you to the previous report. So if you're on the sales or on the profit, it can bring you to the other report. Now, to get to a mobile view, you have to go to views. Now, on the ribbon tab, you would see where it stated mobile. You click on mobile. Once you click on mobile, you wait for it as it tries to create a mobile layout for you. Now you could see all the entities we used in the report has been brought into this panel. This is our canvas where we have a mobile phone. Then we have the page views that are the pages in each view, and then here any of the visuals that you select, you could do some other configurations to it. Now, the first thing we want to drag into our mobile phone is definitely our shop ABC, which is the title of our shop. Now, this is how you start your mobile view. Then possibly the next thing you want to drag in is the months, the slider by the month. You could have it up here so that you could sort by your months. So the next thing you would want to have, after which you could make sure you fit in this into the mobile view, is you would love to have your slider, which tends to bring all the different categories you have on the main page. Now with this, you are creating a mobile view of your initial report. Secondly, or thirdly, you might want to bring in the top 5 cities into your report. You drag it down, then increase this. Now this is your top 5 cities. Also, okay, you can still move it a bit forward. Now this is your top 5 cities. You could also drag in the next one, which is your bottom 5 cities, and increase the front like this. Then you may want to drag in, it's just a matter of drag and drop. You want to drag in the average sales by the sheet modes in this format. Then finally you might want to drag in the average sales by month and by year into the mobile view. Now, and finally you might want to drag in your back button, which is usable to move around your report. You might want to drag it down. So, and with this, we have easily and successfully created a mobile view of our report. Now we could also see that you could have a mobile report, and anytime you want to go back to your default report, you just uncheck the mobile view layout. Once it comes back to the canvas report, and once you want to go to your mobile view report, you click on the mobile view layout and you have a mobile view of your report. Thank you very much. As we'll continue in this class, you would also want to try this by yourself, by also trying to see how you can create the mobile view for the profit. Currently we have this just for the sales. You might want to try it yourself by creating that of the profit as we'll be moving forward in subsequent classes. Thank you very much and see you in the next one.